From requirements to collection. Requirement stage is very specific to data collection, description, and exploration. This stage has multiple substages, including data acquisition, data wrangling, data analysis, and finally, data modeling. Data scientists identify and gather the available relevant data, the structured and semi-structured. A good quality input data is a must for a great output, and hence this stage is the foundational stepping stone. Data scientists must evaluate the volume and properties of the data and understand the distribution of each attribute. While data sampling and subsetting are still important, today's high-performance platforms and in-database analytic functionality enable data scientists to use much larger datasets containing much or even all of the available data.